Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can download the Exodus app in your MacBook or any other desktop. So all you need to do for this is simply tap open a web browser of your preference. So once you have tapped open a web browser, you need to type in the URL www.exodus.com/desktop. After you do so, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on download wallet option. After doing this, you need to go in the desktop section and tap on download Exodus, and from there you need to select your MacBook, Intel, Apple Silicon, whichever model it is, or your Windows or any other Linux. So once you've selected the model that is required for you, you need to tap on it, and after a while it will start to get downloaded in your MacBook. So once it is downloaded, you can simply serve your Exodus wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.